This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Michelle.lefante. Charming ranch-style home in Aragona Village. This Virginia Beach home has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths and sits on a large corner lot. Large fence in backyard. Shed with electric can be used as a workshop. This brick home is minutes from Haygood Shopping Center, Town Center of Virginia Beach, Pembroke Mall, several restaurants, and near interstate access. Great home for first-time home buyers. For more information, review the details below or contact Michelle.lefante at 757-549-2000.